Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're checking out a property in San Juan, Cosala, which is a town known for its geothermal waters. And like I've talked about in the past, all the homes in the Racket Club, they all have geothermal water getting pumped into them. It's like got healing properties and it's nice and hot and feels good. Some of the homes in the Racket Club have to have cooling systems actually because the water just comes in so crazy piping hot. So anyway, all right, this house, I'm excited. It has so much character, and the pink, I think some people are going to be a fan of and some are not, but it's just like your typical old school Mexican home, you know. The ironwork on it is excellent. It's got a pretty neat layout, and it's got two little casitas, very little casitas that could be rental properties. Now, you would have a little bit of a hard time renting this property long-term in this area because San Juan Cosala is a very small town and it's maybe about 15 minutes from Ajijic, but you could do short-term rentals like Airbnb or something along those lines because it's not in a gated community, so you don't have any restrictions. And then the geothermal water spas are just right down the street. They have an adult-only one. They have kids section. It's really cool. And then Monte Cosala, which is really nice, is up in the Racket Club too. So my idea for this would be like if you did short-term rentals like Airbnb and maybe just include a golf cart with it, hell yeah, sky's the limit. So before we get started, I need to tell you guys about our bed and breakfast and our cafe. The cafe is open to the public every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It also has air conditioning for these hot, crazy days. And we have iced drinks, we have hot drinks, we have French bakery pastries, from La Vie en Rose. She's amazing. She's straight up French and she makes the best pastries ever. And the bed and breakfast comes with hot breakfast every morning and daily housekeeping. All the rooms have AC and they're super cozy and every room is different in our bed and breakfast. So that's a really cool feature to it. So if like you're someone who stayed with us a few times, like you could try different rooms because they all look different. And we have incentives for anybody who buys with us or sells with us. So you can ask me about that. And if you want more information on either of these businesses, you can go to my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and Lake Chapala's MLS if you want to see what we have on inventory here. And then you can just go to the contact form and click on that, put in your information, add your question in there, hit send. It'll go straight to my email. And we can start a dialogue that way if you're looking to buy or sell in this area. And if you are looking to reserve a room with us, you can also do it through my contact form as well, or you can do it on our website, whatever you like. All right, let's go check out this property. This property is listed for $279,000 US. Excellent price for what it is. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom on one level, except for that second casita that's on the second floor. Construction size is 231 square meters or 2,486 square feet. The lot size is 351 square meters or 3,778 square feet. It is not located in a gated community, so there is not an HOA. It does not come furnished, and it is in San Juan, Cosala. The home we're checking out today is this one right here. Nice big corner property right here. This was in the beginning of the video where we saw kind of the front door, but we entered over here in the garage carport area. Well, that's not a carport, that's a driveway. So just to give you guys an idea, we are half a block from the lake, and I'm pretty sure this is beach access right here, so you can come out here if you wanted to. It's not private property, so that's available to you. Now, like I said, we are in San Juan Cosala. So this is the town of San Juan Cosala here. This is where Thermal Cosala is. So if you use this as an Airbnb, that's where people would go to go get into the geothermal waters. But then also Monte Cosala is here as well, and that's a thermal water spa. That one is my favorite. It's so beautiful. The lake views from up there are fantastic, and the property itself is so well cared for, and they did such a great job with the decor and everything there. It's like has an ancient Aztec look to it, so it's pretty cool. What else is around here? You've got 2 restaurants in the Racket Club that are beautiful. And yes, you can get in through the gate here. It is open to the public. La Vida Bella Spa and Restaurant. The restaurant is fantastic. I just had dinner there with a friend the other day. And then Chaclan is here too, and those are nice. But then also San Juan Cosala, for being a small town, is actually growing up a little bit. There's a lot of great restaurants through this area, and they've got their own little clinic in this town and everything too. If you needed emergency services like an ambulance or something like that, though, it would most likely come from Jocotepec. I would say you could either go the direction of Jocotepec to do your grocery shopping, or you also have a Pancho's right over here outside of La Reserva, and that would have everything that you would need. Whereas if you went to Joco, you may need to make a few stops. But I think they have a big grocery store in here. I'm not quite sure. I have yet to find it. Well, I haven't been searching for it. It's not like I've been searching for it and I can't find it. But I'm pretty sure they have one there too. So yeah, you've got San Juan Cosala here, and you've got Jocotepec over there. And San Juan Cosala is mostly Mexican living, so you're going to be very immersed into the culture here, which is excellent for anyone who wants to learn Spanish. Okay, if you were to drive to Thermal Cosala from this house, it would take you 4 minutes. And I would say it's probably about the same on a golf cart, so 4 or 5 minutes to drive right over there through the neighborhood to the spa. And if you wanted to go to Monte Cosala Spa in the Racket Club, it would be a 9-minute drive. And I would say, because you can't have golf carts on the highway here, you can have them through the neighborhood. So you would just drive through the neighborhood. You can cross the highway in a golf cart and then just go up here if you wanted to. To get to Ajijic Centro from this house would be an 18-minute drive. To get to Joco Centro would be 17 minutes. To get to the airport would be a 55-minute drive. And to get to Costco in Guadalajara would be a 1 hour and 4-minute drive. All right, guys, that is all. If you would like to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.